Dear customer friends, what you are seeing now is the Bulldozer Robot Welding Workstation meticulously crafted by AGR for our customers. We use hoisting robots for the operation. The advantage of this layout is that the robot has a wide range of motion and can flexibly cover multiple weld positions of large workpieces like bulldozers, enabling one-time clamping and multi-angle welding. So, what are the benefits of using robots for welding? First, it's the ultimate stability and reliability. The robot can work non-stop for 24 hours, with precise and consistent parameters for each weld seam, fundamentally eliminating human fluctuations and ensuring the excellence and stability of product quality. Second, there is a rapid increase in efficiency. Compared with traditional manual welding, robots weld faster and are tireless, significantly reducing the production cycle. Third, higher safety and cost optimization. It frees workers from the heavy, high-temperature welding environment, reduces labor costs and safety risks, and also reduces reliance on advanced welder skills. Choosing AGR means choosing to empower your product quality and production efficiency with advanced automation technology.